Hi, I'm Nigel from the Maintenance and Service Department for A.P.E Fire and Securities, and I'm going to give you a little demonstration of what we do when we maintain a fire alarm system. We've got a fire panel here, and if I open the lid, you can see inside there's a couple of standby batteries there. And one of the things that we will do first of all, before we do anything else, is check the integrity of the batteries and see that they will sustain the system if there's a power cut. We will do that by removing the mains and then putting a test meter on there, taking a voltage check before we've tested the detectors and sounders, and then taking another test when we've completed it to see that the battery integrity is as it should be. And in this particular case, the batteries aren't in a very good state at all. So that's one of the first things I would do is to recommend to the customer that we change the batteries. So now we're going to test the smoke detector, and we're going to test the cool point. The smoke detectors, we have specialised test kit. In this particular case, this is a solo smoke unit. It has a can of smoke inside and a pressure pad on the top, so we can just put the right amount of smoke into the top of the smoke detector to get it to react. So let's give it a go. And there you can see a red light's come on the smoke detector and a red light's come on the fire panel. See if we can reset that. Okay, so now we're going to test the cool point. We have special test keys so that we don't have to break or damage the cool point. And in this case, we put them from the bottom there. And again, you can see the fire alarm has reacted. And we've got a fire indication light on the fire panel.